What's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna be repairing that F22 from Flite test right here. I'm gonna show you how I do the repairs, and in a later video I'm gonna take it out to the field and see how well it flies again. Alright, let's get into the video. Guys, so the F22 Raptor is complete. I tried my best to put it all back together. I mean, it's not perfect, but everything is back together. All I have to do is put this piece back on and take it out to the field and see how it flies. But everything is back together, and if you found any value in this video, please drop a like or a comment and let me know. Thumbs up if you would like, and also I'll be doing the maiden flight in my next video. Until next time guys, God bless.